Welcome to another edition of Space Alert! We're going to start with something a little bit closer home today. After all, the Earth is in space. On March 2nd, NASA proceeded with a triple rocket launch, carrying instruments into an active aurora going on around Alaska, all within about a 2-hour period. The first two launches happened pretty close together, really within minutes, and then a third rocket launched later on, and the purpose of that is to understand the structure of those auroras and what they can tell us about the electrodynamics that occur when solar winds hit our planet. Looks like it was successful and they got data back, and we'll see what they come up with their experiment. Up next, it's time to talk about food, because we all like food, because food is good. A new, nearly self-sufficient plant growth system by NASA is about to head to the ISS. This will help researchers get to know how plants grow in space, because they don't, but we need food, because we like food. So we're going to learn how to grow plants in space. This attachment to the ISS will be called the Advanced Plant Habitat. Clear and simple name. Kind of missed the Latin, but that's okay. The parts will go up on orbital ATK's delivery later on this year, and we'll be sure to cover that when it launches. Coming up, some big news out of SpaceX. Someone is paying them to moonwatch. That's right, 2 private citizens have invested in SpaceX so they can take a trip around the moon. And good on them. I wish I had that kind of cash to blow. First, SpaceX will be testing their Crew Dragon. That's the Dragon version 2 with automation to the ISS. And hopefully come 2018, these 2 lucky individuals will have the opportunity for some of the rarest selfies on the net. Because that's what I would do. I would take so many freaking pictures. But yeah, that's really exciting. Hopefully the first real venture for the commercial sees us seeing some more stars. Coming up, when flying through space, there's a surprising amount of stuff. Luckily, we're able to track some of it at this point. The Mars Atmosphere Volatile Evolution spacecraft, that's Maven for short, has been orbiting Mars for just over 2 years, studying everything from the atmosphere, again, well named, as well as the ionosphere and the solar winds. On Tuesday, they performed an unscheduled maneuver to ensure they avoided crashing into Mars' moon Phobos. With about a week notice, a boost was performed and the craft missed and continues to send us back data on our next big destination. So that's pretty cool. Doing minute moves from that far away. So yeah, glad to hear we'll still get lots more out of the Maven here. Last but not least, because I like saying last but not least, a new mission called BepiColombo is planned to explore the first rock from Sol. Arrival is planned for 2025 and comprises of 2 crafts, the Mercury Planetary Orbiter, MPO, and the Mercury Magnetic Sphere Orbiter, MMO, not massive multiplayer game, online game, just Mercury Magnetic Spheric Orbiter. There we go, I can say it. This is a joint mission between ESA, which is Europe, and JAXA, which is the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency. And they're teaming up to take a look at the first planet from Sol. We'll look forward to seeing more results as that comes along over the years. Well, there you have it, folks. Thank you again for joining for another edition of Space Alert. Keep looking to the stars.